Now in this section we'll see how to update WordPress. Now this is one of my websites that I've designed, and if you look over here you'll see there's a little red button with a 4, so that's indicating that there are 4 updates available. So I've just logged into this website, so if I click where it says Updates, scroll down a bit, as you can see there's 3 themes or 3 plugins rather that need updating, and down here I've got a theme that needs updating. Now when you update items in WordPress, that's kind of the danger time, so I'd always recommend that prior to updating anything, do you remember the little backup program? You go to settings, then you go to Updraft Plus. I'd recommend you do a backup prior to updating, so let's just wait and do a backup here. Chances are things will be okay, but you know that is the dangerous time when you update either Windows itself or your theme or your plugins, because there's just a chance that things can go wrong. So once the backup's been done, then it's a good idea to go and do your update. So we'll go to Dashboard, Updates again. So I've got 3 plugins that need updating. The easy way to do it is just click here to select all, then click on Update Plugins. That'll update all 3 at the same time. So once it's finished, you'll get this message saying all updates have been completed. And if we go back to where it says Updates, as you can see there's still one update to be done. We've updated the plugins. If I click here, I'll now update the theme. So as you can see, all updates have now been completed, and there is no little red button anymore, so everything's up to date. There are 3 items that can be updated. There's WordPress itself, which is occasionally new versions come out. There are new releases of each of your plugins, and of course there's new versions, new updates for your theme. So you could have 3 different things being updated: your WordPress itself, the plugins, and the themes. Now it's very important you keep everything up to date. Maybe log in at least once a week, just check everything's up to date, because by and large the updates are released either for security reasons or maybe performance reasons, but it's important just to keep everything up to date.